Hello everyone, welcome to FixZone.
Today we will be discussing how to manually change your screen brightness on your Mac. It's actually a pretty simple process. The quickest way to adjust your screen brightness is by clicking on the control center icon, which is usually in the top right-hand corner of your screen. Then, click on the display option. From here, you can easily adjust your screen brightness. However, you might notice that after a short while, your screen brightness resets itself. This is usually because you have automatic screen brightness enabled. Don't worry, it's easy to disable. To disable automatic brightness, click on the Apple logo in the top left-hand corner of your screen. Then, click on System Settings. Once you're in System Settings, scroll down and click on the Displays option. Now you're back to where you can change your screen brightness manually, just like before. And just to show you, if we turn this all the way down, the display will go completely black. The key is right here. You can toggle the automatic brightness option on or off from this screen.
So just turn it off if you want manual control.
Now one important thing to note, if you have a non-Apple external display connected, like I do here, you won't be able to change the brightness from your Mac. You'll have to adjust the brightness directly on the external display itself. So, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please leave a like, it really helps us out. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. Don't forget to subscribe to FixZone for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.